uh, Nicole Madiba. Hey, Honor Abu. You.
Hold,
Mami
Hono,
Abu.
Hono don't enter, Hono don't
Yes.
enter, Hono don't enter.
Yes.
Hono,
Na mami for us.
Mami for us.
Mm,
Hono don't
Hey,
enter.
you never see any de Paris. Any de Paris. Mami Raj.
Mommy
She's
Rash.
yeah, she's always there.
Mm.
I beg, Salon Mama France. I know say when we get trouble, but trouble don't finish. Now na time for smile. Salome Mami, any de Paris, you are always there for us. You are always there with us. We thank you for your support, your everything. Didi, Nana, so you don't already send her for WhatsApp.
Pa, relax. You are mo send Linus name Miss Pa Linus. You remember me for some my friend will be there prepare a call. They are named Linus. The only thing I say if I see their name Linus, my had call because that boy.
I don't send that. I don't know anywhere where.
That boy be sabi beat me whenever I write his name for list of noisemaker Linus. I hope say you will beat La Republique, you know, the beat Ambazonia and the Mopa. Welcome, you are a good fan. I mean, that's one of that good fans in that for Ambazonia and for Amber Voice.
Okay. Who them again? Mami, and you don't hear my salon, I beg, Mami, you don't hear that salon. So
Alpha, no, so other Tron went to it.
Mami, any de Paris, please send an Olivia Tegen.
Olivia is always there.
See,
she's always there.
She's as faithful as I don't know how they call
as the word of God. She's as faithful as the word of God.
You're as faithful as the word of God.
Relindis, hey, come on, Relindis, Mazana. Why I never see you, Mama? Since we see for Berlin. Precis. Terence Fon.
It's a wonderful team. It's a team. This team na die. Well, that's small. Our destination na boya. So we go carry all na day.
Alfu they attack me. Alfu say nine chop. Line must be carry your chafu school. So country people, Papa and Mommy, my brothers and my sisters we thank you for joining we this evening for this special edition of Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop featuring Paul Nilong. As you see, they talk. No say ambassador. Okay, ambassador. Sorry, Ambassador Paul Nilong.
Ambassador of Justice and War.
You don't bad.
Yes.
You don't bad.
Always respect that title.
You don't bad. Okay. Ambassador of Justice and
War.
Yeah. Okay. I will need time, you know. How many years did I call you supposed to overnight? You have to change. Okay. When I just permit you, make my tongue slice, and I know say, Papa and Mommy them. Now should do for this program. We know the spare. But today, we don't decide say we will spare. And when we say we spare, it will be as we will focus on the way forward. Do a topic today, one chakra, me and my brother Paul. One chakra the topic today because we don't say we there for some particular point for this revolution where we need educative ideas. We need constructive ideas. We go help our revolution for go ahead. We go help we for move ahead. And of course, we know if ever this will move ahead, we will not recognize the victory then we don't get up. For instance, the state of the revolution right now, how far we don't come. See, one of the driving engines then for life. Now always for look at how far you don't come for life. And for see sometimes the goodness of God for your life. So that you will be encouraged to go ahead. Like we do a revolution. We got to see how far we don't come. The victories that we don't get over La Republique. And how far we don't come. Because now the revolutionary should know where some people they want to be discouraged. So they look less Maza. The way things they happen now. Things they don't spoil. Plenty of people they come in and say Maza, the way things they happen now, things they don't spoil. A lie. Remember not deceive you, say things they don't spoil. Paul.
Wait, it don't spoil. We already reach. We don't come up Kumba. The train already there around that kind Banga.
Banga, you don't pass Myoka already. You don't pass. You never reach Myoka. Yeah, Banga. So much I pass Myoka, they enter Okuna. When you reach Omunya,
now where the food is said the world. Now we don't need to just focus. Now all that. Now
correct.
Thing that once every Ambazonian be focused. Once we attain the level of focus, we need an order. Yes, I think that's the biggest thing that. But today I will talk a bit about communication, most especially for women and women for ground zero.
Hold on. Why one first? Yeah. Before we even go issue communication for women, more address on things. More start for first things first.
Yeah.
We will send our soldiers in salute. I said, pedicare done them for quite one. They carry sugar cane. When they plant popcorn. We don't see una visit them for the good work they want to do. And we say, hooray, when I do good work. Airport.
If una no dey, we no dey.
Una no dey, we no dey.
Now una make our shit don't forget the talk.
Now in that, you don't talk.
No my all the talk we dey talk for the two they make our Facebook. If una no dey, we end this. We dey pack the thing, lock the thing, and go sleep. Now una dey keep we alive. Now una dey make our get courage for talk. Now because of una we dey hear we. So the una 21 gun salute left and right.
Yeah.
Una carry all thing.
Yes. Una hold and strong brothers and sisters. We dey for una back. I want to understand it. We know so most of una don't be confused because of some kind of thing there that happen. But one tell una say the revolution they on track. Me man no deceive una. Say revolution they on track. Revolution they can't pay. Una can't pay they call that thing.
Bank pay. I be begin for what?
I be done for quad. So as a day, now when I not say things that don't happen for the revolution, Chakara don't be, discouragement don't be, and we don't see a lot of sellouts, we don't see a lot of things the way if they be tell we at the beginning of the revolution, so that thing that will happen, we not believe. In fact, shockalizing things that don't happen. Paul?
Yeah.
But we not assess the victory, we not celebrate the victory. Where we not look at some things the way they don't go wrong. You see, for fix the things and true. Because when we do assessment for things, for assess yourself, assess the revolution, then look at your victorious parts, then we don't get over La Republic. You see, we will encourage you to go ahead, it will encourage you because I really want to see the positive things. For so long, we only focus on the negative things. The person talks, the person coach the person. They say, "Pon long, it's small a pair." They say, they give my own name. What's going to call them? Coach you with the revolution. They don't give my all kind.
The one I don't come today. Where I spend time with you today. The news not come out tomorrow.
All kind caution come up. Don't get the revolution.
I'm married to. But they don't talk tomorrow. Say me and you they do.
You know what this thing. In as much as this thing be funny when you laugh about, it show how perverse
and
how
laughable it be. You not deserve to be perverse. You know for sure how laughable it be. How na mockery, no carry. You see, would they take word give importance for things we not deserve importance?
Not true.
Because when you talk say it be perverse, you know even reach nobody reach that perverse. It just be laughable na something you just need to laugh over and then you pass.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because if you give her any term, it means you qualify for some category.
That's true.
So for make a may look stupid, now for tell say be laughable.
You know one good thing about Dr. Sako I like her say, upon all the nonsense way, some mushrooms, crickets they don't do for all over call Dr. Sako in name left, right. Now put the things where revolution will end for social media. And their own fame end for social media. But we thank God for when papa and me for ground zero. We thank God for when Ambazonia zone and know the reality. We'll focus on this show today. We'll focus on this show. We'll get a lot to say and time no day. We'll focus on this show today because if you are following that kind of people, you go last day please. Now, I beg we'll come for serious matters. Now, listen. We've been facing some challenges in this revolution, and it's not a secret that some of these things have been, they've been setting us back. They've been like a setback to us in this revolution. They've been pulling us backward, you know. But sometimes it's good when you have those challenges in life. One thing I've learned in my own personal life is that moments of challenges, they give me an opportunity. They come with opportunities, you see, and they give you the chance to be able to see yourself, to reflect about some things about yourselves. Because, you know, if everything in life or in your life seems to be moving well, I mean, the danger that your end might be a failure is high.
Yeah.
Because you will not have time to appreciate the small things in life that are important. You might not have time to assess some things and to see where your strengths are and where your weaknesses are. And I think that some of these things that have been happening to us, the Amazonian people, these things that have been happening to us in this revolution has revealed to us who we are. They've given us an opportunity for us to see ourselves in the mirror. I mean, I'm happy. I've oftentimes said on my shows that the best thing that could happen to us in this revolution is that we didn't get our independence in the very first year when we started.
Yeah.
Come Paul. Just imagine with these cows, with these people, these different mentalities, this lack of discipline. Some of the people we thought were the best, now they are showing us their way colors. Just imagine we took them to Boya and gave them positions of power. They would have killed all of us now. So looking at all these things, I just want us to reflect on some of the things we've been through. But now let's also look at the things that have been the challenges and why were they challenges to us. One of those things you made mention of is communication. I personally think that, Paul, one of the biggest challenge we've been having in this revolution is communication. What can you say about that?
Yeah. By the way, let me define what is communication. Communication is sending and receiving information. As simple as it is, that is the simplest definition we can get. Receiving and sending out information. Taking in information and sending out information. That is communication. And we have so many other means. We have the mass communication, which entails internet, it entails letter writing, it entails telephone communication, airtime, whatsoever. How have we managed this particular tool for the past 3 years? Has it been of advantage to us, or has it been of disadvantage to us? That is one of the biggest information management in this revolution. From consortium right up till date, what has kept this revolution going alive is communication. And this communication had no difference, no barrier when this revolution started in 2016. There was cordial information flow between Ground Zero and the diaspora.
Mm-hmm.
When the team was set up, Balak, Fontaine, Tassan, Eyambe, George Ngwane, it's not George Ngwane, the university professor,
Mm-hmm.
I've forgotten the name. That is John Ngwane, something like that. That team of the consortium. There was constant flow between them and the diaspora. Because I remember when I was on Ground Zero, we usually, whatever we got on the ground, we had to send it out. We had them two very good activists at that time. We had Tapan and we had Mark.
Mm-hmm.
They were coordinating at the level of the diaspora.
Mm-hmm.
When internet was shut down, they started the bulk messaging.
Now, let me cut you short. You used a word. You said we had. This is instead a past tense.
Yeah.
We had two good activists.
Yeah.
You identify Mark Pevata and Tapang Ivo.
Yeah.
Now, had. I want us to get that statement. They were. Why were they good? Because they were the people. They shared the opinions of the people.
Yeah, and that is the history.
Yes.
Of communication.
That's right.
Okay. So I don't want to be don't misquote me anywhere. Audience, don't misquote me anywhere. They did their own at that time because there was direct information. It was a unit, one. Ground Zero was one, the diaspora one.
Mm-hmm.
So it was flowing on equal basis.
Yeah.
When the consortium was banned, the diaspora was still in unity. There was no crack. We had one full team.
Yeah.
And Ground Zero responded. I myself personally, I had communication with most in the diaspora.
Yeah.
We did so many things on the ground.
Yeah.
Because there was that comment. We receiving information, what we had to do. There were so many plannings. Plan for demonstrations on the 21st of November, which was the first demonstration. We had so many other demonstrations coordinating right up till the 22nd of September demonstration, because there was this unity. there was this unbreakable bond of communication. It was so stiff. Now, we had the first break in communication when Patterson went to Nigeria and wanted to take over, was like, please, I am now free. I am where I can exercise my duty as the most free leader in the consortium. That was when we had the first information break between Tassan and the consortium leaders then. Mr. Tapan and Mark. That was when, because there was small skimmage until, Patterson and consortium, the consortium team then had to, I think they even dismissed. There was a note of dismissal telling Mark and Tapan, please, you have been dismissed from the consortium, stay aside. That was when the first breach of communication in this revolution.
Okay, I will not use the word dismissal. I will say there was a paradigm shift.
Yeah.
There was a transfer of power or a restoration of power to the valid authorities. Now, that's a key point. That's a good point. But there is also something I want us to address here when we're talking about communication. Now, listen. One of the things, Comrade Paul, I've seen in this revolution.
People are asking we're talking pidgin.
It's okay. We'll be talking for pidgin.
Yeah.
One of the things I've seen in this revolution that has been a serious issue is that is communication. When we talk about communication, what I have personally identified is, one, people talk a lot about others instead of talking with others.
Yeah.
That's one of the problems I'll talk about. We talk a lot about others rather than talking with others. And this is a problem we have in our world today. It's actually a problem we have even in our normal lives, that people tend to talk a lot about others rather than talking with others. For instance, I'll give you a simple example how this thing has affected this revolution. When Sisiko and the Naga
people
nine
pidgin, please.
No, pidgin return.
No, you return my grammar.
Okay, sorry. When Sisiko and the other leaders, when they caught them when they were in prison, firstly they were held incommunicado. We never knew where they were. Many Ambazonians, if they suffer, they go left, they go right, they knock their head, do all kinds of things, strike, go put pressure for. The interim government spent a lot of money for legal actions there, for say, may we even know their whereabouts, may some action be taken for their safety. Now, how communication become a problem? We see when Sisiko be there again incommunicado, what happened? Now we can see a situation where Sisiko not communicate with the interim government. The government will be there at place. Instead communicate with like Milton Taka, Nick Santos, Yerima. So all that kind of put away. Now we this way or I had to record him out of South Africa. This is a third man. I didn't forget his name. Yes, but let me remember that name. Milan. When he start communicate with these people there, now put it this way, I stand on you go with the Ambazonian people don't reject them because you don't sanction a double standard people. Double standard people. Now, when Sisiko start communicating with them, the poison in mind. People that already get bad will for the revolution. Now, sorry, they will tell you about the interim government, but Sisiko not talk with the interim government, because when I remember some video, Ojwa reply where His Excellency, the Vice President, Dr. Harrison Abongwa, if he question His Excellency's the ex-president Sisiko say, why you not be really communicate with we, the cabinet member that we live of us here? So we say as that communication bridge we don't be. Now, most of the things that Sisiko know today about the interim government and about Dr. Sako and the rest, now two different persons tell you. Maybe say you don't get the first-hand experience with Dr. Sako or with the interim government. Okay, we hear the first report to be to say he banned the interim government because of embezzling. How you remind the accused of embezzlement when they never do audit? So that communication, and around this concept of the revolution, people they talk with each other, they talk about each other, and they just easily believe which way or another people talk about another person. For instance, most of them for the way I don't talk with some of them. And I don't discuss and say, Paul, you don't get some people where you talk for them, eh? They tell you, no, the man don't tell me, say, yes, say.
Now, you don't that this lack of communication don't cause plenty damage for this revolution.
Yeah.
Now, which way I want more to talk am now, way forward. How will we do for remedy this lack of this lack of communication?
Mm-hmm.
This revolution be there, it be start. How communication be there, and how it's supposed to continue. See, I be there ground zero where this revolution start. We be dey receive information. We be there like secret spy them for ground.
Mm-hmm.
We dey organize, we dey pass information. You see this time they be the print paper then throw am. You know they know who be throwing that paper. When the print paper say ghost town go dey, you know they know who be throwing that paper. You know even see place where they be even print am. But you see, I say we don't lost all those things then now.
Those communication strategies.
Yeah, that communication strategy then. We'll be there for inside with houses that will take phone. We'll get different number that will call people for school. Say if we not open this school, it go down. If we not try the one, so all this thing them, that thing that will be the do and that will be there for ground zero. So what it don't happen now? All these things that they happen again because of mistrust of information. Because trust no day again. Someone even call you say go do this thing. Where you don't send military, may they go with you for day. People they don't can infiltrate and make even fake Facebook addresses that they take and communicate with fighter. Some man go there for ground zero. He go get number for diaspora. He go get WhatsApp number for person waiting for diaspora. He go communicate with fighter for ground. That first time fighter their number for get a baby now they like tears for dog. But now you see and say all fighter. You go for inside one WhatsApp forum, 10 fighter they for inside. Fighter there for inside WhatsApp forum, they beg money. Tell me how a black leg no go move that number for day, call it for back. So all these things that we don't that first time woman they begin today my big problem, my big target now for talk for woman.
No, before you come for woman, more addressing matter for fighters.
Yes.
Be important. I think it's a security matter.
Yes.
Because which you talk, it strike my mind as I listen to you. We'll see and say if now my brothers want to be fighters. Una sense una they expose yourself to a lot of risk out there when una the one be all over. See, this life will be Nintendo game and when a position una dey now for Ganzo una the role una the play. It be so important way La Republic they do everything for Queen Shuna.
Yeah.
So if you think it must be for the group, you be for the group. Just like Porto, spies in for La Republic, they say group, you identify yourself there like a fighter and the rest. They take your number they get for La Republic, they feel hurt you. By satellite, they easily call you. They say, "Hey, some person will call you. Say, we get the material.
No, I get people the way they don't call them. Where they wear this color blue.
Mm-hmm.
He calls say go take money for location XXX. That person go for them a military hoy.
Wow.
When he talk to make life show like me and you.
Hmm.
But that person, if they call you, then wait, and I just say things are there for the way the story go come up, but not be now.
Yeah.
You understand? They hold that person. When one of we send me. So I want to tell you now. Now, by the way, when we come back, it boils down to say, wait, fighter, they wanna respect una local government.
Yeah.
Una work under una local government.
Mm-hmm.
Because una not work under activists. Because as you see me, I think put phone, tell fighters, say go for the place. You go reach for them, they hold you.
Mm-hmm.
But if your local government security council tell you say go for this place, you know say that country that your people don't tell you for this place.
I know that one man do
wait, tomorrow if something happen for that man, they go talk say that you be sending me go take money for the country go ask you say you be sending me go take money for this. Why you never come back?
Yeah.
Why they don't hold you? But if me I call you now, one fighter, you one on one, only we two know.
Mm-hmm.
So tell you know one tell your pariman because you fear say your pariman will get neck for the door.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So you work and now you go there. Mumu they cry, Jiba they Kelly, they carry you go. No, you go tell your story for who?
Not true.
So fight.
I who go know say you go.
Who be know so I don't say that because you sometimes you get neck for the door, you know what I mean? Apadiman,
you know.
Sabi. So please fight at the one there for WhatsApp forum. Una not beg individual money. There is a lot of fake profile today. When they use that fake profile, they are for trap una, and then they do it, they hold una.
Paul, indirectly we try to talk to it. Where internal communication don't be infiltrated and it be at risk.
No, it that means say it be at risk 80 on 100%. Yes, the internal communication, it be 80. Because, for example, you come for pro-IG WhatsApp forum, people, the way they don't decide, say, the interim government under Dr. Sako, they stand for that, for the interim government. But you go for inside that forum, when they talk something, you don't know how that thing don't come off aside. Because you believe, say, all my way there for that forum, now part of the interim government. They support the ideologies of the interim.
No, they support the institution.
The institution, no. The ideology of the interim government, which is the institution. You know,
of the Ambazonian people.
But you don't know that way some person for inside that forum don't take that particular information, sell it aside.
No, but Paul, hold on. Why so? This one you understand, I say. Now, they want to show we a degree of infiltration we don't get them, or we get them inside our own revolution.
For
And
sure.
by some Ambazonians. As a matter of fact, I remember saying Tommy and Caroline. Well, for one of my shows, I'll get away. And we still come, we still get 7 parts for Gona, no worry. We'll create time for camp. Now, it talk about it, even inside the interim government, ADF and other, they get infiltrators and they get people that inside the interim government where they steal information that they get out. So, and ADF, their own main fight, now fight the interim government. So, what the department I say, why some people them, they will make on their own duty, Paul, for say, they be spies inside government for a revolution. Why do you decide to go be spies for inside the republic for the give Ambazonians information? Will not this power self for the power self?
No, ma tell you. Now, when they talk say enablers and who, it means that people the way that they work with Cameroon government, La Republic government, for do it, for fight, for destabilize the revolution from inside. The people that they work with the Cameroon government, La Republic, for destabilize from inside. Yes, this information, it go directly for fighters, and also a message what they send out for the local government. The most important, not for local government, not for the fighter. Say now the importance that for you for locate yourself under your
LGO or your county.
So that if you receive instruction from any person for go collect material, for go collect money for any place, you know say that country don't send you.
Yes.
And you know if you hide them for you not too for down, they get their own defense council, they get their war council, where they did not say defense council for example, defense council for Balekumba local government. It don't send so and so money for defense for war council, it don't send money for so and so general for grant. All they do for inside WhatsApp forum, their own WhatsApp forum. So it means say if General XX for Balekumba local government, it want go for some place for collect material. It means say all man for that council is sabi. So the one for put fighter them for security, for secure fighter their own. Matter something we don't lost plenty fighter the way they don't come up for back say they go take money. See this war not about money. This war not about 8 million people where they fight for their not about money, because if not about money we not for they play with it. This will not get money for persecute this war. We'll get the determination,
the resilience,
the determination. No, resolve.
Yes, the
resolve for Siboya. That be the most important thing. So you were there for ground, you did fight now for money. Now why the plenty fighter they don't die because wait, one, they don't touch innocent blood. Two, they fight now for their own interest. You go see some fighter, they get more than 20 farms. You see some one fighter, they get more than 50 women. That is not that is not the fight for independence. Me, as ambassador of justice and war, I did talk now war language. Yes, I did talk for justice. So would they fight for justice, and any person where they come again want use this fight for oppress our own people? No, you know if you survive. So communication, another aspect for communication, I say infiltration now for inside camp the woman. Ma tell wait happen for Kosala, for Kumba the other day. We'll get this small boy, na soldier for camp. If they bring woman for inside camp, then when this woman they come up for that section for camp, black leg them around the Siam. They go tell police, they go tell me La Republic military, say that girl they so he come on for camp. La Republic go catch this girl, he press it, beat this girl, call this boy. Say may he come for 3 corners. Say day for day the waiting. And they know the roadway go take. Now the military no roadway go take and pass. They just go waiting for them. If friend them tell me say Pa would dare listen me no go. Say that the La Republic don't hold that woman. They advise it, they talk for you, beg it. But you know, say man, he died today like happy time. They tell you say no go, you say you go. Now you die. That it is sweet sometimes like happy. When it doesn't a day. If you like John no go, John go. John no go. You hear say John don't fall. Mama tell you how that boy died. You see communication. They tell that boy say no go. They tell the soldiers, may his soul rest in peace. They tell him say may no go. Now military they don't set it trap so. He still insist. Say a woman. I say they go, they shoot him. May your soul rest in peace, brave soldier, brave warrior.
But Paul, more come back. Amen. But so that talk we talk now. More wanna learn. Most will learn. Some of our brothers wanna learn for the way Paul talk. I will talk. I want more looks until we talk away. We don't discover be important power.
Yeah.
For instance, this communication now we don't look and say we get a lot of infiltrators. La République don't get a lot of agents amongst us where they try to infiltrate our communication modus, infiltrate our means of communication for they give them information. Now you make mention of the fact say, and I don't talk and plenty time to don't talk and say, may fighters them know they pay allegiance to activists. May know they take a say activists, but they go give some kind of communication activism because it be dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
And activists will be a sellout. La République will easily get an activist, buy out, and that activist set you up. They say one sell you some money or say if you go take something for some place, they go pick you.
At the time that thing don't happen. At the time you say activists don't call fighters, send him go take money. The fighter there for take it down at the moment. So we know if he talk, I know if he release the one totally for public.
I understand.
In due course, everything will come to light. Everything will come to light. We don't just put
but Paul, you see, say my brothers and sisters. Now the thing, now why that we can't talk about this problem of communication we get inside the revolution today. Papa mami them because now very serious thing. And we got to bring out some points away when I go enjoy for the discussion. Because I will look and say this thing be so necessary for us to go into the depth. Now we're not focusing on part 1, this tomorrow we'll come for part 2. After tomorrow we'll come for part 3. Me and Paul. Paul don't come for the sanctuary. Paul, Ade. But we'll talk about the particular matter, Paul. We'll come back for something. You draw up an idea, say the advantage for our fighters then for be under their county and the LGA, where this county and LGA structures and they get defense council. They get defense team. Where not be made of one man.
Not be one man.
Where if you make that say, okay, if a team should not call a fighter, they tell say pa, when I go take this team or you go take the money.
See how that defense team day.
Okay.
It be comprised of the diaspora and the soldiers on the ground.
Okay.
Now WhatsApp forum where soldiers they for ground. They day inside that WhatsApp forum. Then the defense delegate them for diaspora. They day inside that WhatsApp forum. So now communication where the flow among all them.
Yeah.
When the fighter say they shit down the defense, okay, they need this, they push it inside that forum. That forum they can go for general assembly. The defense structure say we need 50,000, we need 100,000 for solve this problem. Then when it be approved, they go inside that forum, they talk say yes, that 50,000 don't be approved. So we go send and so day. We go receive and so, we go do so. Okay. Procurement committee, most of the defense council, they get procurement committee.
That's right.
That procurement committee, when they buy, now the detail fighter say, okay, we don't buy so and so place. Either they go can deliver for una or una go receive, una go collect.
Okay, no over give that the information.
Yes.
We don't go into that far.
No,
but the one thing I say more just focus on the part say,
see,
it will reduce the insecurity for the fighters then.
No,
because
I don't want to tell you
this
information need for go out now for the fighter their safety. Nothing the way now the basic that we not be talk indicate we give pointers. But not the basic way the fighter they're supposed to understand. Say now so structures they operate.
And I say it be advantageous to operate so.
Yes.
Because I want to emphasize on one point, people go straight to the point. Say it be risky for fighters and for the take. Now make some person not just call you so individual call you say, Dima, we don't get some these things on this place, you go by all the other way an individual fighter.
They don't keep plenty fighter the way individual, they don't call them say when I go take money for so and so place. You dey come for inside WhatsApp forum, you don't even know person. Then you go for back as you hear the person they will be it talk like Mami Mojoko. It talk when you see be very push for inside forum. Then you come now for back, you take Mami Mojoko your number for back. You type it say where you need to so and so thing privately. You understand? You don't know what that Mami Mojoko that is number we see for this. So what it just take that number very day for ground zero. When you tap not like Mami Mojoko. Sometimes a person waiting for ground zero. He set you up now, he put you now for some caro.
You enter.
You remember some fighter the way they somebody they be shooting for this thing for Bamenda, for General Hospital for Bamenda. Where they go take treatment.
Yeah.
Military join inter hospital, they shoot him, they come out them back. You understand?
Yeah.
Plenty this shooting, they want to hear random shooting there, so random shooting there. 80% are innocent people, the way they just there for inside WhatsApp forum, they only share their own ideas. Man, make you understand that one. So most often I did caution people for ground zero. I did caution people. If you there for inside WhatsApp forum, please, if you deal with your number, be extremely careful. That number where you get for WhatsApp forum, no use that very number for direct call. No use that very number. Because you don't know who they inside that this thing. Today, I feel there for Ambazonia. Still Yannick Sikot, he be there for inside more than 10 different forums, more than 20 forums. Okay, instead he get all that number, them, all that name them. If you start to pick them 1111, they send them for ground zero, how we don't become an ambassador for peace? Me, I be ambassador for justice. If you be ambassador for peace, peace not be ever be for that
country. Justice no day.
Justice no day.
Peace no be the way justice no day.
I did for fight for justice, not be for peace.
Okay, Paul, hold on.
So, my finish any person where either for inside WhatsApp forum, where your number, where you didn't for ground zero, please, not only get that number for direct call, get that number. Please get another number for direct call. Where no that number. Where if they call that number, you know go answer, you know go pass. Or even if you get a person for diaspora, they will set you up another foreign number, but where you there for ground zero. They make you a foreign number for the it be very simple and very easy. So now the thing that this will get to be very, very careful when it comes to communication. And that for our fighter, they be for first time. Tell me this revolution start. Plenty people that be the inside secret places. Tap information. Bring me information. We take and walk. We did not say military they go pass so. When now that will people that will secret agent them. They don't really work and they gather that information. But today you see I say because of mistrust, because of lack of trust, that information, you will not get that information again. Now instead, military don't instead they send our own people. They go for our camp, they instead giving information, they instead bring information for military. Well, first time, now our people be the instead go for their side, go bring me information. So what did it happen? Now because of this mistrust. But now with one beg Ambazonians, say if you did fight for justice, please, may we not wake up for sleep. None of the time we will need that information. None of the okay. For first time, we'll be here saying motor, even for Facebook, we'll be here saying motor they come up from 20 truck don't come up from Bekoko. We don't know whether it go na north or it go na south. We go right alert, 20 truck they enter Saudi zone. You the same again. We need the right time again for.
Okay.
We need to get that information.
Paul.
Wait till it happen.
What should it talk to be very important? And one more rush this thing. So now as I be done for the Amber voice. I want to take what time we broke the tea so that no hurry the topic. We'll get this topic, we'll do part 1, part 2, part 3. Tomorrow we'll come for part 2. And we'll identify these issues because people that are here when they always talk about the way forward, we'll not talk about the way forward when we not address this kind of issues because the kind of issues the way they don't hinder we will not go ahead. But revolution not be played even internally. Because of this small dirty error, the way some of you they make everyone fighters and they make and it costs the lives of our people.
Plenty.
Yes.
So we don't lost play even people's fervent die hard supporter them. Okay, how they get Mr. Julius Obamenda? How? Mr. Julius be there very active. But one just says on one monitor they don't hold it. But we don't be with for long with the communicate. How? Sometimes the only person for inside that WhatsApp forum. For first time you see my country people, all that black leg there, they the angels of light inside all our WhatsApp forum there. Please, for the way forward for this revolution, for hit that last part for the revolution for momentum. Man tell una Ambazonia, the only thing way they hold this revolution now COVID-19. Yes. Now COVID-19 because
you don't hold it. Now all the revolution
the international the diplomatic where they are on standstill. There is no movement, there is no gathering. If you feel imagine say even minister for inside Germany, the one whole meeting, they go now for conference video call.
Yeah.
So it shows say all thing there for stand still. So when I not say this revolution, it there La Republique there for your knees. Now why that way? When I see what will not happen for them, they don't even maintain lockdown. They don't really open. It never even make 2 weeks. They don't talk now say make bad and go back from 6 a.m. 6 p.m. make bad and continue. COVID never stopped. They still there for 1,000 something. When I see I say La Republique we don't destroy La Republique finish. We don't more we there when I say this revolution not there on course, it not there on momentum, it the full una. Now so we just need to assemble, get back that original who will be used to be that way be start. That 2017 at the height of this revolution that on the 22nd of September 2017 now the peak now the height before we enter 2018 where it becomes a military, a full-fledged international conflict.
Yeah, wait. And what I like from 2018, I said Dr. Sako bring in the self-defense strategy where it don't really take a revolution go for a different level.
See,
we have to respect that.
Now the level that way, that way Ayabas, it come in with self-defense. Sese could be wave on my side. Sese could be more interested in diplomacy. You understand? But when Dr. Sako say, now because of diplomacy, he put Sese could play where he did. He said no, it will not enter that very shop. He take away it enter now for full-time self-defense. Now full-time self-defense will. So La Republique don't break down our communication system. I want me any person who is listening for me. I read some small interesting story today.
Mm-hmm.
You know that interesting story. Now, role for woman, role for communication. Man, not even for woman. Role for communication for the Vietnam War. The role of communication. Mm-hmm. You see how for early 2018, when full-fledged self-defense strategies that we start,
mm-hmm.
that you see that communication will be get spy them everywhere for every office spy them day. So they will talk today. If you imagine say president in speech, we get president in speech. I think about 2018, either 2018 or 20. 30 minutes before president, we don't really get his speech.
No. Talk say La Republique.
La Republique. No, I don't president of La Republique.
Yes, okay.
Mr. Late Pobia.
Correct.
Now Late Pobia, no. See all the time.
Forget that, man.
So before 30 minutes before you want come, I will tell you say we need these people them back. Any Ambazonia way there for inside these places, we need this information.
Okay, Paul. Hold on.
Yes.
We'll get something straight. Because we talk a lot of important things in for here.
Yeah.
And if we find we'll put them in context so that maybe we view and understand so that anybody we can join with late, you will understand which we talk.
Yeah.
See, we address for this particular discussion, so we'll talk about would address some certain issues and I would start to address the communication loopholes there. You see. Now, you see, we don't talk about the challenges that we don't get for communication in general.
Yeah.
You see, communication is a very big topic.
We're not finish communication.
Finish. That's right. So, but we want to address the small things inside this Amazonian revolution where problems don't come into the revolution, where the bina based on communication, the challenges of communication. You see, and we address some of the we address the dangers there.
Yeah.
Where they come in mostly on security level due to witty communication issues. Now, my bro, once you didn't say, we don't deny the fact say our revolution don't be plagued a lot because of this communication infiltration that we don't get.
But now we address so
you understand.
That's the biggest problem that.
Yes.
Now some money the one die, he die he one say when he one die, may die with 20 people. You don't let you go for hospital, they tell you get HIV, they say you know die you one. You don't let you go for they diagnose you with this thing, COVID-19. So man said then away just start cough, dry cough, it come up, you have to go begin speed the rap. When I don't see private video them, where people they speed, rub for the whole place.
For China, no.
Someone didn't go for supermarket, go on top of this thing.
Anyone die alone.
Just because
But Paul, you know, say this belongs to the inherent nature of humans.
Yeah.
When we fail, we always want someone to fail. You know how this small picking. When you write exam, I remember how I did premier call. When you write test them, when you write test, you fail. When they give you a paper, they know you fail. You ask a man, I say, Paul, how much you get how many? When Paul tell you say to fail, somehow you feel happy.
Yeah.
I'm not tell you something about that. You know why if we do a revolution, we get people that defy the interim government. You hear some man with this, I don't be for the revolution for 30 years. I don't be equal up and say JJC. But you no get not to if you show for that 30 years. You no get not to if you show for all the achievements you don't do for that period. Now, it be challenged by the fact that some different man can within 2 years or within 1 year, the man don't achieve 100 times more than what we don't achieve for that 10 years. So it indirectly feel like a failure. You understand? Hence, it prefers say may fight that person so that people that do they fight the interim government, they fight Dr. Sako, they fight Chris Ano. People that do they fight them because the one way they feel. No matter because the feel way to Chris Ano they do or Dr. Sako they do or the interim government, the IG do it be bad. Now because they know say they don't already feel how they get the chance to lead the people, they themselves they don't feel. You understand? So they feel that say if the other people, if Dr. Sako, if Chris Ano, if the IG succeed today, the glory will be the glory will be seen at Dr. Sako and Chris Ano and the IG. So they prefer not say, may they fight them, so they bring them down, so that all them go fail. It will be not say all man try, all man fail. Then if it be not say the international community one can talk, they know will only face the IG. You understand? Now what is somebody they come with the IG say the IG for IG now batting, but that same people then they be part of another kind of IG that they want create or they don't create for back. Why not? Because they look their side, they already fail. They see the success of the interim government of the people of Ambazonia. They see the success of Dr. Sako, the success of Chris Ano. They see the resilience and the success of the Ambazonian people behind the interim government. They want to do everything for make Ame fail to so that because they know so they don't fail. Now they know say if they don't fail, all they will be now for the same level. When they dissolve the IG, it will be now saying that just groups.
Yeah, I want to make some correction. It's not about Dr. Sako and Chris Ano. They are not succeeding. It is the interim government that is succeeding. And that interim government has a component. It has structures.
That's right.
It has institution.
That's true.
These people are just head. For example, Dr. Sako is the head of the interim government. Chris Ano is the head of the communication department, which he is the spokesperson.
Yeah.
They are not succeeding. We are succeeding as a people.
Yeah.
We are succeeding as a team, as a family.
Yeah.
When people when you pick them out, it becomes personal.
That's true.
If you have a personal problem with Dr. Sako, it's your personal problem. When you have a personal problem with Secretary Chris, it's your personal problem.
Your personal problem.
Born out of greed, jealousy, hatred, or whatsoever.
It's your personal problem. That's true.
Let me tell you, when it comes to the interim government,
it's an institution.
Cannot fight Dr. Sako. You are fighting the people of Ambazonia. You cannot fight Secretary Chris. You are fighting the people of Ambazonia.
Yes.
But what we are talking today is about communication, the lapses in communication.
Yes.
Now, as ambassador for justice and war, I want to educate people for bring back that original communication strength we'll be getting from the beginning. Now, why do I tell you, say from consortium and the diaspora, when this thing started, there was a straight line communication. There was a straight line. It means diaspora was receiving and sending. Ground Zero was receiving and sending. So now that thing, it don't breach now because of so much infiltration. Black leg, they don't enter inside, they destroy that line. They cut that rope of communication where we need for re-establish and back. The next part of this communication will be the distraction on social media. But today, more will begin with the one on the ground. We need that communication for some person the way they do good work now. I appreciate that work. Stateless citizen and Kemi, they get ground root information. Most often, sometimes they get that information at the poster. But I like, when person they do good work, not because you're the activist, you need for no appreciate your brother way they do good work. Because man may not be the same stateless, don't pass me or you not pass me. One see who be the highest or who will be the highest.
Kind of bad spirit that way.
Not very bad.
One kind of revolution this year.
Yes. Now because of waiting, pride don't bring me for inside that.
Yes.
Stateless. I don't tell stateless citizens the other day say concentrate. You show say you overget. You don't get some room. Stateless never overstay. Never push forward like activists. But you see, say the short time where stateless don't come up. You see, he gets strategic information then. I don't just say concentrate on that strategic information. Each time where person want know which side get danger, may look like a war. You understand? We even enemy, might tell you something, we even enemy, even enablers, they will look at a war for no side trouble to go. You understand? No make the hungry your page. But when you
Okay.
start put distracting
Mo-
messages for the ground, so that make ground zero even. I get that way. For man, just finish. People they give me information for ground zero.
Mhm.
For example, I get person right for inside Ndop Central. If something they happen for Ndop, if Ndop their Ngokutunja communication department get that information, immediately they get that information directly from them. Sometimes one forward for them, they tell me say no, we already we'll get and we'll work on it. You understand?
Okay. Paul,
Stateless citizen,
yes.
another
Paul,
activist, we get
yes.
that, it already get that route.
Mhm.
So I want me a page be that page where anytime you shoot off for the day, you want to know which place get danger. You just when you take
Paul,
stateless,
hold on.
you
Hold
sabi.
on. That one now which way you want. But it get it disability all day for the revolution. Anybody get it
Na
feel like a
advice,
call.
na
But
advice.
if you feel don't have a background, more come up for a topic.
Yes.
You know, sometimes we talk to them, so one thing come, he pull man away. But it be good. Good more to touch all things. Now, country people there, Papa and Mommy them, when I want to just join with. If you never click for your share button, that means you'll be like a public agent. In fact, Paul, check for Dima, check for you. Any of your friends, you never click, we start block there. Because we know if we discuss the kind of story for quad, we do have amber voice, then we need to share. We talk now say communication, we must improve our level of communication for the revolution. Let our positive message may be well spread out there. Know how to handle our information and to deal with ourselves. Then we need to share. So my brother, we get a lot for talk. One at part one for this show. Tomorrow we'll come for part two. Tomorrow we'll come for part two. Me, I'm coming upon for this particular topic. And a lot of things in do will really get for bring them, one to expose them, one to talk them, for help ourselves for the revolution. You know, we don't see the revolution they attract. The revolution they on for a correct route, they for correct route. But plenty things they happen where it be necessary more to move up our eye. But if we for talk, what I say, we are assessing ourselves. We are looking at our victories. And we look at also don't make errors. What will fix them so that we move from glory to glory. That's my life.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Very important.
Yes.
Very important. Now, I want dwell plenty now for ground zero in for communication today.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Now, why that? At the talk say, we be over the get information. Excuse. You don't even bridge right even at the level of the fighters because of what because of mistrust.
Mistrust.
Because of what mistrust.
Mm-hmm.
And that mistrust now who them now because the individual them they the one duty way na government supposed for do one.
Mm-hmm.
When individual one duty way na government do one, it get for do one. It go always want fight government. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
You go always want fight government. And when you want fight government, there must always be a bridge of communication. And once there's a bridge of communication, who the suffer first na fighter.
Mm-hmm.
When fighter no get information flow, I want also use this means for beg fighter them. Say for una WhatsApp forum, any man will not know it physically. Well, una know, if you not sabi that man physically, no put it for inside that forum. If you don't know say na fighter ages, you don't see or a commander. That commander say na this fighter, this, na this one, this, na this one, this, na this one, this. You give their number, una put up for that forum. Because even non-people that they should not for here, where they get La Republic number, where they go tell you say they be fighter, they get MTN number. They go put an now, say they be fighter, they call their name. I don't see someone no come today say that now who they call that. I don't see say be fighter or na wait. Where at the end of the day, it don't for diaspora. And the see can commander them for diaspora. They not be fighter. They be just liaison. We see how even commander them for yesterday, they don't already cross camp. They don't already breach communication. So at one day when I say, please, that original communication will be getter. Ground zero, ma tell una something. Una don't sit where don't happen for Agbobala. Because he said exam. He write and say,
The same with the look camera.
where sir? Agbobala, he said exam. He writes what Southern Cameroon issue do now with you. Minister, don't suspend me. Say me no teach again for university. Me pack. Me, I want tell una, I want use the one for tell una for ground zero. Me I tell una say, lizard no fit ever be crocodile. Lizard no fit they no fit ever call lizard say crocodile because he get shape for crocodile. So if you like all those enablers, una feel say una dey breach weak communication, una feel say una don infiltrate for disturb this revolution. Maybe I tell una no go ever be Bulu man, una no go ever be a Wondo man, una go remain Ambazonia, and una go face we for house. I assure una that one. Agbobala, you go turn. You no go ever be Yaoundé man. You no go ever get status of French man. You remain a black leg in the Yaoundé cabal. Now the most thing that so make me I tell una for ground zero. If we fail for this revolution, we still there with the fight. Una see how they treat some of una. Una see the kind of mess where they don't give the disgrace where they don't give Agbobala. But if they say this, yam done, yam not done.
Paul, okay. Paul, hold on.
Una breach communication.
Paul,
Una infiltrate. Una let una be ambassador of peace. Una let una be ambassador of waiting. Let me tell una. We go bring back that lost glory for communication.
Yes. Paul, I want us to get something.
Shadow for communication. Yeah. And we go advance.
I want to get something, and we'll get a particular message passed through. May not be the soldiers carrying for call names, and I know say many Ambazonians.
This one na general fight.
Yes.
This particular name I mentioned at Agbobala na an example.
Yes. And what I want can be sometimes be necessary when we address some particular issues for bring in a light. You need to give an example, and sometimes if you do otherwise, but for call names. Now, I really want more understand which we try to point out here. We'll put them in context, which we'll try to point out here, and I really want to focus on this before we round up. The security aspect. It be way more from my heart. For inside the discussion, if at the end of this day today, if we address the endangerment they will get for our communication, and we'll see the security loopholes them, and if we develop strategies for say, make we start close those loopholes there for help our revolution to move ahead. Because just like we don't talk, plenty soldiers they don't die for this revolution because of primitivity and this communication thing. Now, for instance, some soldier go just be he go just see the activists don't call you, hey, Mr. Nancho don't call Mr. Nancho will call you, oh, pony long, hey, pony, you just come to some group, you see a pony long number that you don't start. Only for this you don't feel communicate with activists there. But the truth we didn't say, which specific information you really need for get that from an activist, more be real. We don't get that from your local government area security council. More be real.
Ma answer that question.
Mm-hmm.
The only question where you be soldier, you there for WhatsApp forum, you identify an activist in number. The only question where you get to ask the activist and say, how have you do trace my local government?
Simple. See, I don't tell when I plenty fighters when they want to contact me. Plenty put them. And they tell us I beg you. Somebody even contact me, someone will say I be fighter because I need money. I'll tell you come up for which local government area. You know if you identify somebody you don't become a fraud. So I'm going to write you say be fighter, we need be fighter. I don't see some stick, I want money. All this kind of thing then somebody will show the shake, okay, money, how much I stick now, how much? Mafia don't come into this thing. If fighter tell me say he call me say want money. I ask you say the for local government area. I contact that local government area. So I know the fighter. When I get money, when I need this money for buy this thing, I give them the money. That's what we go for the door for encourage that flow of communication.
Don't always the work with fighters.
If
fighter
we talk about communication.
If fighter need help, you contact me. If I solicit for help, I don't get money. I be poor man. But if you need help, I know how to beg money. Community they know me for. I say I know how for. I be specialist. When I hear for
you can talk and they go take the partner
no,
the car.
I be specialist for beg money for fighters.
Yes.
Fighters therefore which play the difficulties. Would they with I guess other people the way they another I no feel who I no call this person name Titi.
Mm-hmm.
Titi is another specialist for find money for fighters.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? When you call me, I the channel that money for your local government.
Mm-hmm.
If you like for really work, go take of your local government.
Mm-hmm.
Then another most important thing for communication, where it don't destroy fighters, na video. You be bear with me, and now who did they make a fight? Who did the Kiwi? Now only the diaspora. Now only we. I want bet una like special ambassador for justice and war. Make una know the expect video from fighters them again. If una want make this one fighter they leave. If una want make this one fighter they survive. The important thing that the pressure way ground the get am, not be a video. Video no be victory. Video na invitation for die. When you invite La Republic, ma make assure una one thing for this war. Ma assure una today. We will, as a people, we will never fail. Puncha they no hand this war for we na say we hand for picking them. Ma assure una today. If una like all una comot me, I go remain me one for this war. My brother Nancho, you know me now.
Strong.
Let me say, if all una leave this war, me and Nancho will go remain for inside this war.
And you know the good thing about that Bible to say if two people or three people they agree on something.
It
So
is.
we two say we
don't
say
agree.
we still go to Boya.
So I want to assure una be listening for we. Mateuna, the burn down field marshal a generator. That generator na 6 million. Colonial CF is 6 million. Because waiting, because when I be the hungry for CE, he make video. He show how he do his sample for Le Français. La Republique just look at Mateuna. When I go for when I see that ship will be land for Kribi. That ship will be land for Kribi with 180 French soldiers every day inside. La Republique don't buy advanced technology, tracking technology. Advanced tracking technology. They track that video so that they locate that field marshal car. Every day when they do say field marshal, some people they call it field marshal. He make that video, he don't stay. Now who they lost? Now me and you will lost. Thank God say field marshal will be able for escape that attempt. They destroy not only that particular generator, they destroy so many other things there. Now who lost? Now because waiting, we're hungry for see field marshal for video. If field marshal no show video, now so how did they ask you say, I want to finish something. They say make video. A cameraman go die for battlefield. They shoot the cameraman for the battlefield. Because waiting, if one please me and you. No, so that may the way no say no be field marshal, how not so they don't put in name. So non-entity they don't put in say field marshal. Because if one please me and you, no say they. But no, so then for guerrilla warfare. Now would they see picture for Vietnam, how they operate as guerrillas. Now later on we'll see that way they be the way that guerrilla for Vietnam they be the fight. They know they show video. Now after where they recount way how they be the operate. You see my way that rice farmer. Una no na rice farmer. Una watch that Vietnam film them. Now rice farmer in turn he there for his skin. If the drag bull, that bull they go so in turn there for his skin. That is small cap there for he hate. As una one as American soldier they camp, pass he don't move up. He fire them. He put them back inside. They say nothing no happen. He wipe him up. They say no job. So una see soldier they don't die plenty because of waiting video. Because they make video for police we. So now something that was supposed to stop them with immediate effect. Because the answer said they do waiting. And they don't do waiting, they don't show waiting. They wait be the proof say that they work. For 4 years now, waiting they don't do. Because they want please me and you. But I want to assure you, I say this fight, we'll not go hand for picking them. So long as God give we life, we go continue to fight this fight. And we go begin to realize say this, so we get the biggest killer for this revolution. No be La Republique, that communication bridge. That the biggest instrument that way La Republique they take, and then some non-entities and some non-entities don't come and say ambassador of peace.
Wait, relax. Ambazonians, fellow Ambazonians, fans and friends of Mr. Nancho, welcome to today's edition of Amber Voice. We are talking about the victory of Ambazonia over La Republique and her agents. We talk about our victory over La Republique and her agents. And some of these agents, and we talk, this kind of agents where they can bring in communication loopholes them for a revolution. You see, no. And what we pour the talk, we don't talk here be very important. We don't analyze and recognize these challenges we don't get them in recent times for this revolution due to communication loopholes, communication difficulties. And we want to really focus today on this ground zero communication. How to help improve the security, how to help get our revolution back on track, how to help develop our revolution back on track, how to help increase the level of victory over La Republique by gathered informations guarded communication.
Yeah.
You see, and we don't emphasize on the point, say, my brothers and my sisters and fighters and for Ground Zero, when I really get to be wise how they communicate. No, not any person, because now so this is social media, we know if you control you, we know if you tell you not get WhatsApp, we know if you tell you not get email or how they call it that in them. We know if you tell them not get those things. But when I get to control ourselves, when I get to be very careful. It don't make sense. So you go be a fighter for Ground Zero, you dey fight for communicate or activism. You want take money for the one, you want for the one, you want do one, or you see some person where you can't cry for some group about money, you just say, oh, the person get money, you want go the key information. That person fit be a La Republique agent. Another thing we'll talk say an activist be bought over by La Republique if say your information for La Republique. It did happen. And are you gonna lose your life? That activist go make you money. So no trust none of we activists. Even me, no trust me. I tell you, I don't tell when fighters and say, listen, when I submit when I serve under when I defense councils for waiting, when I LGAs and when I counties them, when I country people them, when I feel the go on a meeting say for country talk, we go make another difficulty for La Republique for waiting for decipher that information.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
We know say La Republique get person from a village, we go the transfer, we go the translate for you, but it will make it more difficult for them. So wait at the chance for us waiting. We get to see how we would use this for potentials. What traditional language as means of communication.
Yeah.
Or we get some kind of security meetings. Now why would they tell people to all man go on the local government area? Because now it will help some kind of some sensitive things if we want to talk. We talk for country talk. You see. So before one round up for today, because at least me and Paul they come up tomorrow again. We really say unnecessary say it be important to give this advice for our people and for ourselves. We also for diaspora, brothers and sisters. Listen, no person in life will die. Na good thing. All we, if one soldier will lose for Ground Zero, we don't lose a person, and you will be fighter for Ground Zero. Your security will be your most important thing. The person no can tell you say, oh, okay, now just of course I hear some activists can boast put on social media was say arrest of field marshal or waiting. It make the whole noise for social media with the worst thing, man, shock una. The worst thing. I call field marshal one evening, after that my show, my last show, why we can't talk about field marshal. We'll discuss. That man no get field marshal number. Field marshal say never talk for that man for over 2 years. Even such a Chris confirm. So what's that? The person can't lie say he talk to field marshal a few days ago. He not even get field marshal in number. He never ever talk for field marshal. The last time field marshal tell me say he don't talk again 2 years ago. So what is the surprise me? How person will come claim that information for us? Say he don't talk for field marshal, and Holy Spirit don't arrest field marshal, all that kind of dating. Why? See, when I know what I talk about, I bring you to say about field marshal because field marshal, if focus they work. I want all Ground Zero fighters and generals. We wanna take example for two way be good. And one person with me I feel give you as an example of a good fighter for Ground Zero. Na Field Marshal Leke. Because now see him, he know communicate with activism. He know communicate with activism. He follow he be alert local government security council team. Now they really communicate with them. If something they happen now for Lady alert, not be any activity we don't cause Field Marshal La Republique become a lie. The way the security and the communication way with Field Marshal. Now what is La Republique do all things if you ever catch because he get first-hand communication and he know who he communicate with. Okay, if an activist go can't both say me a key Field Marshal or Field Marshal must die, imagine say that kind of activist will get Field Marshal number. Nobody go just sell them. I already see activists where the government fighters and generals and die. They finish take one information, they sell them for the Republic, they make their money. Now when I go die, what would you talk about? When security be very important, and we have to be very careful how they do. Brothers and sisters, mostly round for Ground Zero. The communication matter will not be overemphasized, but we think it be necessary for reshuffle the flow of communication. Comme Paul, which will be the rounding statement because they can't begin to will continue. Which will be a rounding statement for this particular because for this particular, this advice for security and for our security for our fighters and communication for Ground Zero.
Yeah, we got another big problem now. The environment where our fighters and they get very big communication bridge because we get francophone them for we environment. So many people they don't come like IDPs. where they fool themselves say, they fool the people say that the IDPs, but we na military, na francophones. They Okada riders, so one they even they prostitutes, so one they all walk of life.
You the time you say like probably don't hire girls them send them for Ambazonia now.
Yes,
When
military girls them. They become like prostitute.
Now the year
Military girls.
When I fight the one see short skirt pass. When the year
Mate, you know not only French, even Ambazonians, with the day military, they don't send some of these girls them. They born at English.
Ambazonian, don't say English. Ambazonian, yes.
They don't send them. They can't cheat their own people. You know, say for this war, some people they don't get conscience again. Some people they way because of money. They feel you know nyongo. You say your papa, say your mommy, say pikin, say woman, say even your husband. You sell them for money. So now modern day nyongo where someone they don't enter.
People don't say they are twin brothers and sisters for nyongo. Which
Yes.
you tell me, what about you? What about you, fighter? For money? So
so they don't surround the whole when they know say come there for location XX. They go can't stay, they go assign them around that site, around that environment. They go assign them like Okada people. Military, they go assign them. When I see some picture the other day for some one way they Kumba. When a military, but it then a free boy for town. When I see the other one for Bamenda, when a Chris man. So one day a Chris woman, but all them are military people. And I would them, na Ambazonia them. So when they don't come for this environment, they start. They breach our communication. They gain trust for we fight at them, for we local fight at them. They gain their trust. Say no, Nadaka Okada man if you carry on go any place because they need Okada people for go come out outside sometimes do some kind of operation, go do some kind of thing and come back. So they gain una trust. I want more to know this one. This now the first. I'll tell the two categories of people they don't breach trust, where they don't breach communication for we fighters and for we fighters. One, now that one that prostitute them, where they bring them like beautiful girls away that they can't charm fighter them. You understand? They go tell you say no, they don't burn our house for kwakwa. So now why that way would there be IDP? Mama me, they born our papa a house. Would they na for Kukembomo? So the day Kumbana, the day for Kosala, because they don't hear some come there around that side. The day for Mabanda, because they don't hear some come there around that side. The day for Mukete, because they don't hear some come there around that side. You see, that's why they replace them. The day for who side again, the day for my one, because they hear some come there for that side. They place them for day. They replace two set of people. They replace Okada and they replace young girl them. You understand? Now, when they don't gain trust for some fighter, now all that they don't already breach una camp. It's over. They don't already breach una camp because when that Okada man already know place where una camp they. You can imagine the next story.
I can imagine.
They go ambush una for night. Now so they don't keep plenty of them. When they know say they go send woman or so they sometimes general.
So wait to be advice now. The advice now say wait.
The advice now say one. Una not supposed to trust no Okada man.
Okay.
Una not supposed to trust no Okada man.
Number two.
One, especially if that Okada man a stranger. If una want trust Okada man, una know say na pikin wey dey born for that town. Una don't see the grow. Una know the about mommy. Una know everything about it. Even though if it still betray una. But if una want go una operation, una fit take a bike. If una need bike, una fit take a bike. Una go do una operation. Una come back. Una respect it. Una give a bike because na their own responsibility that. Yeah. So that they want for tighten una security, for lock una security. If una get any woman, please, not that time. This one not time for woman for carry woman go out for your camp. Not take woman go out for your camp.
We never tell someone and not do.
No, una fit do. Una fit do, but no carry woman. Take no even tell woman say this one na fighter because one day they don't foolish to take. They even tell the woman say no, they one na fighter. We'll get 10 AK. We'll get 5 granite. We'll get this. We'll get this. You know, say when you don't plan to woman, if you tell woman anything, no. You know, say me, Tower be the young boy. I promise woman plane.
You don't get that plane.
Tower day young boy. I promise woman plane. So you feel imagine. So now the kind of trap the day will fighter they fall inside. When they don't start touch you for the kind of place, fighter will tell you.
They touch me. Keep a distance. They say social distancing. Country people,
So
go ahead for the next advice, my brother. Go
So-
straight to the next advice.
so when fighter,
Mhm.
when you be gorilla, that woman knows. If any woman wey wants to be inquisitive, he wants to ask you, say, who be name for your general? Who's that they stay? If any fighter start, if any woman start one make before the fight one start, you be get your woman. Just guarantee the security for that woman. You be get your picking them. Guarantee the security. Just find some place where they feel stay.
Yeah, for look for camera. They say look for camera.
Move them out of that territory because you already sacrifice your life. You sacrifice for your entire family. You understand? So move that. If you move that woman out of that place, because if they don't get you, they go get that woman. They feel get that you're picking them for no good reason. Even though your woman and your picking, they don't get nothing to do with this fight because they're a personal fight. You understand? So no reveal. If you be that one who you over married, who will be free boy. If you want do the do, find some neutral ground. Do the do for day. If they are woman,
Yeah, they don't catch you.
no, if they are woman, talk when I want to talk with you for that side. They don't keep plenty the way they go do the do, they kill them. They don't keep plenty. So none at time we you be gorilla, you dey stand for up, you do the do, you run go back for bush. Stand for up, do the do, run go back for bush.
Well, I know to say about that what you talk, you make a lot of sense,
Now
but
for
it complicates.
Yes, now for avoid, not bring woman closer to that camp when a stranger.
Mm-hmm.
Not bring woman. Now for
Now, people now they talk for them. They look for that side.
that communication bridge that. Now for the way the communication don't already the bridge.
Mm-hmm.
Now, right? If we fit struggle to preserve that one.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we understand two categories: Okada people and woman. Like
Yes.
the two don't cause the highest destruction. So the best way, some camp they do where they fit buy. If local government they fit buy second-hand bike them for their camp for their soldier them. When I buy 2 or 3 days, time the day they did auction, people they did auction second-hand bike even for 200, 300 Corona CFA franc. Sometimes even 100 if you get good bike.
Well, you know,
We also bet even local community they will not support when boys them with a bike. You feel support, you feel volunteer, you give your boy them bike. You say when I take and all support this for struggle. You give local people that are around who they beg when I say make when I intervene. At the beg say when I intervene for this issue. At the beg when I support this boy them on the ground so that may they not get security leak. Would also beg people that big papa them when they there for ground. When I call this picking them for una corner, when I advise them the dangers of this thing they will they talk. This thing, remain only for activists of advice woman. We talk today on the dangers of communication, security bridge, a bridge of communication between our fighters and the local population. So it's a dangerous thing.
Okay, Paul.
Yes.
Yeah, advice number 2. If I don't understand, I'm fine. I say, may fight as a noble woman for camp.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When I don't hear no me I talk now. Paul talk. Someone a noble woman for camp. See, my brothers and sisters, this thing we talk am here. If we talk am. When I don't hear am, when I understand even what you never talk am. The most important thing on security. Come for camera when they see your face.
Someone be allergic to camera.
Yeah, I don't tell you. So what you then I say, brothers and sisters, we don't want to make this show today maybe long because once people they watch after this, when they get time for go through it again. Tomorrow we come up again, and as we talk about the victory of Amazonia over La République and her agents, and then we talk about how we're going to maintain this victory in the in the field of communication. And we'll talk about the challenges we're going to get and one of in our communication for this revolution. Wait to look and say, where I think say be very important. We will discuss tomorrow. We don't miss the topic for tomorrow because tomorrow, Paul, we want to talk about no, we want to talk all about Gonzo. We're not going to the advice on how to handle one or two things. And on subsequent shows, then we will touch those points in once a while.
Mm-hmm.
But for someone who over dwell on one point tomorrow, more just giving a headline. You go find more address another means. Another challenge of communication for this revolution. For instance, I make a point earlier before I said we'll talk a lot for this revolution about each other. We need to talk with each other. And this thing now, it don't create even at the level of diplomacy or even at the level of leadership, even.
Yeah. For
Even
every
at, we
level,
go
you don't
address that,
have
we
it,
go
you don't-
address
you
it
don't
even at
have
the every
level.
level of leadership. We don't see a lot of problems. See, a lot of things that happen for the revolution where they don't stagnate this revolution simply because of poor communication.
Yeah.
Oh, this is communication. We'll talk about good communication. You know, say, we'll elaborate on this tomorrow. No, if you just talk something, you know, means you don't communicate.
Mm-hmm.
There is good communication. For example, if we give just we'll talk about this more tomorrow. We see like that. So a lot of examples in we don't prepare for talk tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll,
You see,
we'll
so
elaborate on
we'll,
social media, activists and social media communication.
we will talk on leadership communication. We will
Yeah.
talk on this revolutionary communication on higher levels. And we will bring a lot of examples in way we don't see failure, we don't see hindrances, we don't see infighting. People that talk about infighting, the infighting need to be because people they want fight. But sometimes they be because lack of, there is no good communication between individuals. So if you hear my own side presenter, it look good. You hear my own side presenter, it look good. But the two, they never ever talk with each other. Mostly on the leadership.
Yeah.
And I think that we see leaders need to work together because they need to communicate. So you will see as the person way to follow the leader. If he don't hear the way to the leader talk, he will just know say, "Man, the leader, na leader, they die." Oh, na the leader. Person way for the other leader back. He hear way to the leader talk, he will say, "Check no, na the leader." But the problem is, these leaders need to come together for communicate with each other, for really communicate. And it create a lot of knuckleheads. You don't make a revolution for international level. They look at winning jokes.
No, not like we are jokes.
They look and they say
we are jokes.
Just and the thing I said, because the individual so-called leaders and they get bad ideas. We'll talk about why some of them no one put on their pride, they no one communicate with each, they don't even communicate at all with each other. It passed me some said, how we get revolution? The one who thought we get revolution, the one you get an interim government. Okay, and but most people agree say, no, not all man must work under the interim government, but so long as all we fight for good boya, you understand? It means we'll get a general goal. We get something we put us together. If we know if shit done for talk about that we bind us together, and how to fight the war together, fight the common enemy together. Understand? Say we create a lot of problems. If we know if we should not talk about our strategies, if we want to really fight together, we fight a common enemy together. You see how? So that communication really lack. We will really discuss about these things in tomorrow. Now, my brothers and my sisters, my papa and my mommy there, we don't come for the end of this show today. My name is Mr. Nanchop, and I did will do a rebel leader.
Ambassador for justice.
It's ambassador for justice and war. I need time for know that, I the see chair for grammar because easy. The sentence, man in name, the title. Why you need to take doctor?
No, don't be doctor. Ambassador. Doctor don't spoil this revolution.
He said, no, I take doctor.
No, I'm the ambassador. I do work for some people. National Self-Defense Council will launch Operation Knockout.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will put out the paper account for people that go support. There for my page. When I visit my page, when I see the paper account, any person who wants support Operation Knockout, I don't tell you yesterday some mommy for America already support that project with $2,000.
Wait, so please, the money is going for you.
No, it's going for me.
I can't tell you like there's some.
No, it go for National Self-Defense Council.
I don't hear.
I'll be only ambassador for the project. The ambassador of the project.
That's a collection of money give me for the
revolution. No, it go now for National Self-Defense Council.
I want to make collection of money for the revolution. Maybe that kind of one way. It goes straight for the people the way they need them. Maybe that is some person who can't say, I don't make that dark. I don't make that this today. I don't make that this. There, when money enter there, they cut out how they get 50 million. When I heard some person tell me that they say, I'm sorry, I must talk down for the show today. Some person can boast for me say, hey, some person can say, hey, the person they do a lot of he get a lot of money for the revolution. I say, the person don't ask whether I get work. It's not the person get work. Some of these people the way they come, I'm sorry, when they quite assist they be doctor them, doctor wait you, don't want to be doctor ma wait you, don't want to be doctor this. When they don't go use our revolution, they go beg money for help organizations. Then they give them 10 million. They take 2 million. They can't give you now. Then they can't make us say the two they get voice for the revolution. They think give money. No. Listen, go under your LGA. Your LGA or your county could help you. When they get the money, they help you directly. When they get the money and when they work with the money. So I know we'll stop for emphasize people that go under the LG. And if any mandate for you with the we never register for the CID, It means a citizen
Compulsory independence.
independence due. Where it means you never get ID card number.
Mhm.
And you go miss you be like public agent. So if you never register for CID or you never get your contact for your county or LGA, I want beg you. You get permission, so you write either Paul Nilong or you write me. We will help you for get in contact with your local government area and your county. But when I know do that for this show for Amber Voice, we no go, we no take 1 or 2 calls. So we go take calls. Now the lines don't be open for calls. But we'll take 2 calls
Yeah.
or 3. We'll put 3.
Okay.
We'll take 3 calls. So when I get Amber Voice number, when I get my number, telephone there for table here when I see her. When I call for WhatsApp for the topic that we don't talk, when I feel give 1 or 2 advice on our own contribution, so that we'll round up the show for today, and then tomorrow we'll come for Chakara the deeper Tori. What you think?
Yes. They'll take the. If you get my number, if you call. If you get Clovis' number, you call.
My pin their number.
Only for WhatsApp.
Or call for WhatsApp. If you call for WhatsApp, yes, then we will round up the show for today. So which I think so will be live tomorrow. Well, I will put that for my wall. I'll put that for Mr. Nancho. By the way,
Amber
Ma-
Focus go dey tomorrow, so if you can
we'll
watch
come
earlier.
before Amber Focus. If Amber Focus be tomorrow. So wait till Robina say, if we never abonne, how they call abonne for English? Subscribe.
Never subscribe.
If you never subscribe, Mr. Nancho page, better do it now. So go for the click for that thing, say subscribe. Then you click for that button so that whenever we come live, bam, then you will be first man for B. And tomorrow, me and Paul will be again for Hammer on a Tori. So, country people, we will come for the end. Where I found on the thing, I never hear. If you know for silent, I don't put on sleep modus. So, as I don't talk, we will round up for today. We will round up this show for today, countryman. So, Paul, I'll give 1 more minute. You know, so you like talk. I'll give 1 more minute for round up.
Yes, we don't have a revolution. So if I no like talk, I like na gun. Yes. We don't have a war, active war. And now we need to be. I be able to get the first caller.
Yeah,
we need
nah,
for be.
Because talk the way 1 minute you can finish.
We need for be actively involved for every aspect for this war. Finances, communication. Before this caller start, just hold on, my brother, on our sister. You remember sometime we they be catch some person we can't kill you, Masha. We they be send am. You know, say now we'll get that information 2 weeks before that man one come. That communication that. Now the communication that will be like 2 weeks. We don't already get that information from the high quarters. We'll prepare field marshal before that person won't even come. Now the thing is we'll need that from everybody for ground zero.
Makes
All
sense.
man na spy. Make all man be. Now this thing a collective battle, not na one man show. Now destiny for you and me. Even this enabler the way they fight with today, when we get independence, then too they go glad. Who not like fighting? Who not like freedom? Who not mind? Who not see some non-entity that on the way they just say they don't do this, they don't cross go over. If we get that independence, we will get them. Even their generation, they go glad.
Paul, 1 minute off, we'll get the call on the line. Hold on. So, hello, countryman. Welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop and Paul Nilong.
Yeah, this one, Papa Batoke.
Hey, Papa Batoke.
Yeah.
Welcome for Amber Voice.
Mr. Nacho with Mr. Paul, I grab plenty for Nasha. God, but I let the post one I go for before.
Amen.
Therefore, number. The day I want to talk to them is the first boy at the tattoo. I don't laugh to this. I laugh. Where they call some people and say, say they'll go catch Mr. Sako.
Okay, just hold on.
Say they'll go catch President Sako. Say he don't trap money for my trip to Boya. Say he never pay. Say not pay tax. Me, I want to ask Mr. Eric Tato. Say you the work for Treasury for nonsense for man not pay tax for America. That's not the first question that we police them go ask him the year. They go ask him, you want this way for do our work? You the work for treasury, but say someone will pay tax. Two, when you say they don't shun, some people don't shun 1,000 signatures. One man patient order in them. But I want 10 Mr. Editor to say, we don't gather our within the
Do me a favor, countryman, do me a favor. No call non-entities your name for the show, I beg. I know say if any man want call, you want give information, talk on the two, we don't talk today.
Yes.
When I do me a favor, we no make rabbits, they can be so important, they feel they rely on them. So I beg. Countryman, we'll just give you get 30 more seconds for just maybe you want to send us 1 or 2 encouraging salute for Ground Zero and for people who they hear you now for television.
Yeah, I want to finish my story. Yes, I didn't record now for the, before you want to take person go for big parade. When you take person go for big parade, if you take one person then you go for them. But for them we go show you say now that all ambassadors will take for our president, we will come outside for March. We will 3,000, 4,000. Go for that FBI for 10 seconds. This boy, like this man with the way we come here. So that they will cancel you first. We will tell you say we let the sun that sun. We will physical people, they will come physically more than 3,000, 12,000. That time the head go crazy, go set inside.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And the Sarema people that say, when I go before, we go for Ground Zero, we post the fact, we don't even win. We don't hear a lot of say not get money again for paying Tampano. If this war continues for 1 year again, I want to tell you so that they win and down they win. We don't finish them. They not even take that avocado and then they will get money for put petrol for ocean. They will try every day.
Thank you, comrade.
For 1 year again,
yes.
they will finish it. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Papa. We appreciate it. We'll get another caller. We'll make another caller. Hello, welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nancho. Who is speaking, please?
Yes, good evening, good morning to you all. This is Amber Spartan calling from GZ.
Spartan fight but never surrender. That. Tell we wait to be the two one chaka for winner this soiree.
Yes, I want to congratulate Una very well for the wonderful work. What work I want to suggest for Una?
Good hear you, Papa.
He called on fear.
So up there. When I not call for video now. When I need to see we for screen here, my people. So other man be the call for video now. Whether I bet when I not call for video, where are my people? When I get Amber Voice number, when I get my way, no get Amber Voice number. I'm saying man like public edge. When I know if you tell me so, I don't get my number. Okay, we'll take that call.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop and Paul Nilong.
Yes, still Amber Spartan.
Yes.
Okay, Amber Spartan, will hear you.
Yes, Amber Spartan. The line.
Yes.
Yes, so I want to beg Una Paul, continue with the good work you and Nancho. We'll make Una get some strategic meeting with all the and LGA heads. For tell them, make they inform the fighters, the genuine fighters whether they under their control. For maintain that secrecy as Paul talk. Make them not show video again. Make them not snap anything send up for social media again. Emphasize for them, say, for them for live long. Now the way they communicate their achievements for the outside world. We don't overhelp the Republic with intelligence, with all the videos. Paul don't rightly talk. These people, they don't deploy sophisticated equipment with just video, they could locate with. So, now, whole strategic meeting with the county and LGA heads, make them really stress them for their fighters, make them maintain that secrecy, and they will live long and very, very they're not going to be able to see them just like how Field Marshal it don't be all this time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And courage.
Thank you, bro. We'll get another fighter. Another caller for this other slide. Hello, welcome to Amber Focus. Welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop and Paul Nilong.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Nanchop and Mr. Paul. Thank you for the good job we do, as well as try for really encourage with people then for ground. I like the way they when I put when I bring out the ideas now for educate people them first of all on the ground. And I want for talk say me una too the try for encourage we people there for diaspora because if all strategy the way we put them down, we money not day, if you work. So the best thing for we for do for diaspora for support people the way they did for ground, where they did so far for stay for bush is now just for give a small token for help them. We not give
We don't lose that caller. I should say network don't make we don't lose that caller. I might take the other one for that side. No, give me the one first. Now be the first. Hello, welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop and Paul Nilong.
You have put the call on hold, please.
Your call is on hold.
Hello, Nanchop. This is Ernest.
Hello, sir. Welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop and Paul Nilong. How for you, Papa?
No, I tell my man. I see say you know be run French class today. You don't know how to talk from Skype.
You don't win me for that one. You don't win. I carry her back for that one. You don't win for that talk.
I know. So my call is on hold.
No. Focus on your camera for your phone. I hear you.
Okay. Yeah. What I just get now some small thing for talk for wait we will don't even talk. And we being a communication we will talk so. Hello.
What hear you, Papa? What hear you?
Yeah. We been a communication actually because as you say the link. Yeah, I stand water and then the Paul Nilong on way bring up when directly for the defense people. So I think that one is very important. We get to attack this thing in so many phases, and then we get together and communicate, and then people for act. They get for the call meeting too many times because somebody who stays far can see a few things that you will say there, and then we may do a lot of things that can help us. So we are almost close to that place, but it's like we are always waiting for these people to do something before we get stronger. So thank you.
Thank you so much for your contribution. We'll take two more calls. You get a call on the line?
No.
Okay, I'll take two more calls so that we round up for today. Hello, welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Nanchop.
Good evening, Pa. How for you?
No, I really thank you. I really did thank you and Paul. Do on a show. Any show where you did it, Mr. Nanchop, as I talked last time. In short, na cure for coronavirus.
Thank you, my brother.
You show the both immune system. I be feel weak as I follow on a show. I don't strong.
Amen.
Continue for the inform our boys. I'm begging now. And I like the strategy the way Paul don't bring up for this revolution. For say make the activists they focus. May they forget about this chapter. Yes. So make una continue so.
Thank you.
God, yes.
Thank you very much.
To reach boy. And I also send salute to our president as I be talked last time. The way that man the reason I'll be changed the title from doctor to professor. So I will call him this time. That is a man with the charisma of a leader. It's a role model. So thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, my country people, I will take the last call for today. We do one national number where you come up for Mary. Plus 17 house country. I don't know. I never ever. Yeah. I'll surely call that person back. Hello, welcome to Amber Voice.
Yes, hello.
Hello, welcome, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll be just there on the line. Then the line go off. So I just try to call back at least for give my own contribution a little bit. Whether I good, at least we will feel just a which way there. So what you have the talk now say, all the way we talk for social media, you know, go help them for ground zero if we not chip in something for help them. And you see more than 2 million Amazonians they there for outside diaspora, but they didn't do anything. So it don't make no sense. Every day they talk the same thing. Where they there for they die. Man, if you move even $10 for chip in.
And my own idea for bring up now say, we know say all local government areas they be made up of villages. All the heads them for every LGA, therefore know say which village you contribute, which village you contribute. Therefore see how it did because they never leave the fight for one place. When tomorrow independence come, these people are going to fight saying now we village. But now in a time where everybody get for join hand for make sure say we support the people that way they there for ground when they fight. All this come the way they work and they destroy. If they will be well equipped. Like before they come destroy them, they don't already know what way they do. Then they will get the power for fight the other people them. But if they come when I not get enough equipment, how I go fight them? Well, how they will fight them back? So everything I'm gonna really talk encourage. Go for the various LGA them. Talk me they go for their various villages them. Talk for them. See what way they get for do. No person no get for 40 arm. Wait for other person me fight. Me tomorrow me come go to invest. All team will fight. People they live for diaspora. If independence come tomorrow, then there will be first people them for carry their investment and go put up for Ambazonia. But who fight for the Ambazonia now?
What you then say? The CID. I want to use this opportunity for talk. The CID, Citizenship Independence Due, where it be compulsory for each person waiting for diaspora for pay. If any person will never register for CID where they hear me now, so I want to talk true. You go get BB problem for enter ground zero what we get for boya. Because
one idea I want to make and say every village not people the way they there for their diaspora from where they come off their village go for outside country. So they get for in talk for fighters. Me they at least contact their people them from various villages. Tell them they say what they do. Una help me. Maybe say they already talk take liver for activists them when they talk say una help. Talk every day they shout. Secretary decrease shout every day. No man the answer. When they talk,
yes,
people
just hold on the line. When we drop this caller, we'll pick you. We'll put you on.
Yes, you talk.
So,
you talk fine.
So one thing I get for talk for you too now say with the CC comment them for social media we will not like her. If we know how block those people them, we will be very
we block them, they will create another
account. Which you think I say
excuse me. One comment where she say that 1, 2, you just block her immediately. You don't go for wait until the time where you don't mess up the show.
Yes,
when you not block you, people that will turn out to respond and it will bring distraction. So now what you hold the talk? I mean it be good say una day for day una two. Any person the journey.
Yeah,
would
do that one?
Just block the person.
Yes, thank you so much for that advice. I don't say I need some people that would help me to do the work because listen, we're there for studio now. And
the first female voice.
We are there for studio now. Me a woman to keep you online.
Okay, so
my
advice now, I say,
you get 10 seconds for give advice. Give your advice.
Yeah, what you just talk and say we just plead everybody be a preacher for a friend. Me they beg any friend, me they at least join for that CID. Me at least we put something for fun for coffers where go help for run a revolution.
Thank you.
Okay,
thank you, Papa. Thank you. You say you get some small.
Hello.
Give me a minute talk. You don't hear woman. I don't take phone. You know, yes, the woman there for phone. I don't hold the phone. You want give me the phone again? But when you launch that corner,
I jealous that too.
They say social distances, man.
We need to keep the social distance. Closer. It's not good though.
How for you now, Mama? Welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop and Ponilo.
Okay, thank you. I want just talk. Now Olivia did talk. I want just encourage ourselves as we thank so much for the work we do. May God bless you. I want to continue to do a great job. We'll be so happy. And then I want to just talk about these distractors. The way this last call I just talk. No need to talk again because they already talk about these distractors there. I want to tell you now, say as much the day online, so we now find some person where just they only for the block because they never distract person. We need to listen to one at the talk. We just fight for be against them too, for the crush them. Only now we need to really get to one at the talk. So I beg, please, not never from Mama Kemi, just keep me just they only for the block. So many they distract people then. So me God bless Una. I like Una too. So tell Una do a great job. God bless Una. We did for our country by country. We did this strong.
Amen.
Okay,
Thank you
God
so
bless
much.
Una.
Thank you
Yes,
so
yes,
much,
Una.
beautiful
Thank
woman. Thank you so much. Now,
you.
people when I don't hear no, all these people, and I know me a person way I overget soft heart, and I don't try for bear una for give una a lot of long rope for pull am, but na consider what is it called. But I don't see as some of una don't decide so una if you change, una don't become a bended stick that can never be treated. So I will make a team of 7 blockers away. You just make one negative comment that they block you. So if you want to enjoy do our shows there, make sure say you maintain a good lane and back una. Me, I know go get that time for block una. When I feel I discipline, they get all kind of negative comments. I don't really care on that. But if una the kind of can't step where they can follow up the show, and then una I be sorry when I don't hear the call complain about una, I will put a team when they could block una. So I get a caller on the line from ground 0. I take this person. Hello, welcome to Amber Voice.
Yes, Mr. Nacho. Good evening.
Good evening, Pa.
Yes. I don't observe what we may say. I will tell you say this. Una activists and una do a very good job. And what you want me gonna do? I'm una ideology. What I want get una get a platform where all activists they be like an administrator. When I mean activists where they get hard for this revolution. Where they be an administrator them in such a manner way when you did online the other activities them they censor the write up them for follow up the distractors them for move them out. For instance, when they on Unapon now so somebody like Prince Jeka or Caro they online they are working early for the watch who did they make negative comments. That one point 1. Point 2, I would like we'll go back for communication. Paul talks something about communication. We'll go back for traditional and indigenous knowledge. I believe all villages then get that traditional means of communication where they use, for example, the gun. Fighters them and people the inside the community, they're supposed to know when you play a gun, 1 gun, it means this, 2 gun, it means this. Those are tools and strategies that they are supposed to come back. The world would start to go back to a status quo. We fight now cultural identity. So me they try to implement that. Not just the small one that I get for offer for now this evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my brother. I think your advice be welcomed. So my country people there.
Before we not go, we not talk about Bafut. You know, there's a current massacre since today now waiting. I think since Sunday, where military enter inside Bafut, it cause havoc. It ravage, it destroy. When I see for Sunday how they cut this boy in neck way, military come, they ask him, they beg water for their house. They say they walk like some 50 meters. They come back, they move this boy for house, they cut his neck. I also get information about we don't lost a host of some few commanders and few strategic.
No, we don't lost people for that.
Yeah, for Bafut at the moment. So there's a massacre going on in Bafut at the moment. So the only advice we give for Bafut people at this moment now, please run for safety. Run for safety. We no one talk wait to be the cause. We no one go into the cause of it. But at the moment, there is serious massacre in Bafut because they are looking for General Alaji and all the other main generals. Some small tape they will pass for back with the full military. So military don't they vex now. So they do the worst for Bafut. So we appeal for everybody waiting for Bafut at the moment. Please run for safety. These people are not human. La Republic military, they are not human. If una feel say na human being, they wear that clothes, not be human being. Now devils, now Satan, they don't wear that clothes in the name of military. They work at the massacre with people. So please, if una hear Babanki be happen, I think last week or last month for Babanki. So they work now village by village. They come out from Gabu, they go for Babanki, they come out for Babanki, they go for Bafut, so they go work village by village. But the fee say the fee stop with, the not fee stop with. Like wait this will last caller a talk. Please, if people that for head down, they see military they enter. You for head down, take that gun, you read that, pong, say war the camp. Once that people they hear that gun, They know what I say. They so military enter. Then for down village, they go run. No, not because they don't start for up village. You get opportunity for scare people. They make them run. You know one scare them because they don't attack. No, this fight now fight for all we. So may we learn for use that. We'll pass this information. If you're not listening for me, please call for village. Tell village say one military one pass. May they do it. May they hit that gun. Pom pom pom. People of the last village they go no say this whole military they enter. They go disappear. They go run for safety. Because you one of you don't cry die for 50 people.
Yeah.
How you go feel?
I think that message.
How you go
clear.
feel? So I thank this person we call na so na activism. This na communication. This it's all about giving impact on the ground, educating people how we will persecute this world to the end. No na for come for here begin curse your brother, curse your sister, talk the way mommy, talk the way no mommy, do one or this and that. So we supposed for build me and you as we gather as a team for here with the exchange idea. It be very important. So make audio messages in for dialect, send them for your village people. Tell them say if military they come, if they for Bafut today, you don't know the next place we go. So people for Bafut will deal with una. As we be there, people from Gabu, that's so we still deal with una. People for Babanki will deal with una. People the way they don't face this massacre. Pini, Fue Bakundu, Ekona, Mautu will deal with una. We go fight this fight. We not hand this fight for we picking them. No, we not rest assured over this fact. We not hand this fight for we picking them.
Thank
we
you.
go fight until we see the end.
Thank
and we
you.
go block all this communication bridge where it allow the enemy to easily penetrate. We go to educate una every day. So before these 3 days we go and finish this series, at least we go don't learn something. Thank una very much. God bless una.
So that one I must talk point long. We don't the time no finish. We need to give time for talk again. One round for today. So country people, I'm sorry we no go take no calls again for today. We no take no calls again today. The issue is I say I want make mention for one announcement. We get the Amber World Draft Award where they come up this Sunday, Amber time. You know, the president and the interim government of the people, that's the people's government, they make a special presentation. Now, I want to use this opportunity to tell we and to challenge we Ambazonians. We'll get a special appointment on ABC Amber TV, 5 p.m. Amber on Sunday, 5 p.m. Amber this Sunday.
Yeah.
It's going to be a wonderful program. Now, I want me all will take a challenge for this. I mean, prepare ourselves towards this Amber World Draft Award. You see, where it will be a game changer for this revolution. It will be a game changer. Listen, if La Republique did say, would it think of giving up anytime? I don't tell when I say we'll be done the warm up now we want to start the game. Now we poor. Now the game to start.
Mhm.
So we'll continue tomorrow. We'll not make this show me over long, but we'll give a rendezvous to tomorrow. The earlier we come will be for 5 p.m. Amber. We'll come for 5 p.m. Amber. So what you will do now say, if we come early, if we make the show long enough so that we will take time for call, we ask a question there, we do a contribution there. And of course, I don't want to forget what to say. This coming Sunday, the Amber World Draft Award will be a very powerful program. And where I want me to be in a program for all who want to go boy, we'll take the challenge. We'll prepare our mind towards that, and they will give a great support for this revolution, to make a game changer on Ground Zero. Thank you so much for being with me this evening. My papa and mommy there,